Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to translate a web page content in Chrome on computer. So open any foreign language website which you do not know, say suppose news.de, which is a German news site. So once the website is loaded, you would be able to see this pop-up here with the Google Translate icon. So you can choose which language you want to translate it to. So suppose I want to translate it to English, then I can just choose to English and then it will automatically translate the content into English language. Now if I go back and switch it back to the German, then the original language will appear. So in this way you can translate the content. Now there is also these options or settings where you can always translate it to German or never translate the German side, or use other languages. For example, instead of English I want to translate it to Arabic or something, then I can use that option to choose the language. So in this way I can translate the page content in the Chrome app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.